In this video, I'm hopefully going to get the Bundera out of here without rolling it on its side. Here at MadMat 4-Wheel Drive, I'm all about educating and building the 4-wheel drive community so we can wheel well. I'd love you to hit that subscribe button or the like button on Facebook. So in typical MadMat fashion, I'm having a crack, driving up this gully, and I misjudged. So coming around that corner at the back there, I set the front a bit to the high side to set the back up to come through, but I didn't quite get it right, and so the back's fallen back down in. I could probably drive out, but if it doesn't work, I'm probably going to lay a door or a panel into the side of the car, and I don't really want to damage it. So my plan is I'm going to hook up to the back of my young fella's 80 series with the winch and just make sure I stay in the embankment on this side, which effectively keeps this side of the car up, and full right hand down into the embankment again, hoping that I can pick up in that distance. I can get the front up onto here, which will bring that vehicle a bit more level, I hope. So anyway, once I get that done, well then I'm going to get my young fella to spot me and we'll just work our way back up along here. At the moment, I've only got the front locker in. I didn't want the back pushing me and squirreling anything, so it didn't need the traction, it just needed a better driver at the moment. All right, I'm gonna hook up the winch anyway. I've got to get in here. Head first, I guess. Can't get the seatbelt on. Right. Aaron, you on channel?
What was that? I have the engine turned off so I can hear.
Yeah, all right. So I'm just you just stay on the brakes. I'm just gonna see what happens here.
Righto.
So first thing I'm gonna do is just put a little bit of winch on and just see what the vehicle does with that. Yeah. Okay, so the vehicle wants to pull up a little bit with that winch when I winch in. So like that. But that'll also keep me in the embankment. Trying to get full right hand down. Quite sketchy. Doesn't want to climb. No, it's not wanting to climb. Okay. Plan B. It's not wanting to climb. So we might have to chuck you on the. I'll go back to that original idea. I don't know. Maybe I should just try and drive it.
You let me know.
Yeah, all right. Okay.
Do you want to hook up the winch and then try and drive it like your original plan where having the winch will keep it from tipping?
Okay, I think we'll go put you on the other side, Aaron. I was keen to drive the rest of the rut, so I decided to set the winch up this way, which I knew had its disadvantages, but I thought if I can get it leveled up, I'll be able to drive the remainder of the rut and have the fun of that. But that didn't work out, so we set up this way, and well, you'll see how that works out for us. Righto. Oh, get back in here. Oh dear, it's getting lower. It's getting much lower. Okay. All right, well, don't know if this is gonna work. Got a good chance here of, yeah, hurting something. Okay, I'm gonna start winching in, Aaron. All right, well, we're pulling it in the embankment, which is sort of the right thing. Okay, I'm gonna drive a little front locker on, first gear. One of the other options I had was to take my White 80 series and hook it up to the back of the Bundera and basically dragging the Bundera sideways up out of the rut, which would have been cool and saved panel damage. But I didn't have another driver because Mrs. Mad Matt was using the cameras, getting the footage for us. Oh boy, now we want that front to start climbing. I think the motor's starting to burn oil. After I got out, there was actually oil dripping out the exhaust pipe. You hard on the brakes, Aaron?
I'm standing on them.
Is your engine running?
Yep.
Okay, I need you to drive forward and we'll try and drive forward together. So you start sorry mate, I need you to start to drive forward and we'll drive forward together. Oh man.
Holy crap, Dad. I was just like, for sure, like, you're gonna roll it. Like,
I thought I was gonna roll it. Yeah.
what's with all the smoke?
The engine was getting oil going into it. Being upside down, basically.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, so we rubbed the panel work there. Ding that a bit.
I was like, for sure thinking, look at this.
Yeah, that got a rub as well.
Yeah, that's...
So there you go. That was a bit of fun. Bit of panel work. Just as well the bar work was on the Bundy. But I think I need to calm down. Twin locked, low gearing. I think I need to just learn to drive it a bit before I get that carried away. All right, let's go and see what else we can do. I'm Mad Matt. Stay safe on the trails.